Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
As a parent, I know my child needs more space to play and to learn. A school which learns him better and teaches him better, where he finds live models for love, affection and dedication, where he can nurture his individuality and be a future leader. And here's where I stand. Blessings International School, Tirukurakkundram, Jingmut.
For admissions, contact 9688999811 8012553412 73730
Ka BGP Meghalaya State Unit kalathung da ka committee ka bukarpang ban bishar sani halog roster system ka ban sa bishar bnya bin pa bin shwa ka party kan salej ban ra ka Jingai Jingmut anda menteri rangba ka jala konrad kongkol sangma ulakhat ka Jingïalang jonga Meghalaya Democratic Alliance ha ka jengkran begila pathai ka bor ha ka sitarik jambang arajar apulai u convener jonga committee balathung da ka BGP uba Himalaya am Shampliang ulai thu ba ka jing bishar bnya kalong be tang halog roster system Baya ka hukum bala penmi da yang bishar Meghalaya High Court kabala I ha jing start jong sarkar jala bat ka yang dorbar thau ai ban shimrai halor ka ni gamat shushu lai thu ba committee kala penrung de khatru yo muktiar bala khamtibet haki kam ya sa ai USP mahanta ban pani Jingai Jingmut halor ka hukum bala penmi da yang bishar halor ka roster system.
We have had 2 rounds of meeting on the reservation policy and plus on the roster system. Now the members, we have had a member from the legal fraternity who is also a member of the BGP, Mr. SP Mahanta and his team. Mr. Mahanta and his team has assisted the committee with a lot of legal advices that he has given us, and we have also examined as members of the committee. We have made up certain suggestions which we would like to present it whenever the Honorable Chief Minister calls us for the all-party meeting. So the details of that we would not like to divulge it here because we would like to keep it for the discussion across the table when the all-party meeting meets. But I can just give you a brief line about that the recent High Court order dated 3rd April 2023 relating to Grenades Sangma and versus the government. There the Honorable High Court had given a ruling saying that this whole policy and the whole system, the roster system, should have a cut-off date. Now that the High Court has left it to the government or to the legislature. So it is left best to the wisdom of the government, and let the government examine first at its level in its own cabinet, and then they will have their party meeting that we shall discuss at length at that point. Within the orders of the High Court relating to the roster. So the policy, we have nothing to say on the policy.